Hi girls in Fishknits land. I just want to show you what makes me happy. A little bit of rain, some beautiful trees. Look at my beautiful blooming wisteria. Gorgeous. This is actually really rare in California to have rain and blossoms at the same time. We don't like it, but for us, this is happy rain because we need it. And just for your viewing pleasure, my husband planted his garden this week. It's a tiny little garden, but we're only 2 people. And there it is. There's quite a few things. We're flooding one end of it, but he didn't plant there this year because things don't grow really well on that end. So, there it is. His tomatoes. My squash. All the good stuff. And it's raining. Proof that it does rain in California sometimes. Yay!